Hello everybody, I just got another scooter, different brand than last time. The last one I bought was a Ladped LP80, and that one like $152. So, and this one's supposed to have a shock absorber for suspension. So I bought this one, and it was only $30 more. It was 188.83, and the brand supposed to be LOFIR, and model is supposed to be a 8.5 tire electric scooter, 300 watts, motor 10.4 amp hour. Range is 19 miles. Range is 22 miles. Top speed is 19 miles. And the model number, I don't see it on my phone here. Let's see if it's here. The model number is supposed to be W4PRO. It's right here. Okay, here's the model number, and the weight is 16.2 kilograms, 13.7 and 16 kilograms. I don't know how much that in pounds. Wheels is 8.5. That's packaging size. In the front of the box, it's just right here the specs. So let's open this up. Interesting, this one doesn't say how long to keep the box. My other one says to keep the box for like 60 days. I think it will. Okay. Okay, so here's the inside. The manual came with it. Coming with the screws for the handle, and QR code, and W4PRO manual, and let me put the handle in. Looks similar to the one I got before, and it does have a shock absorber right here, and in the front. So 2 in the front, 2 in the back, and it's similar to the Ladped that I got. So I'm gonna install the handle. Lock. Why not locking, huh? Lock. There we go. So it's locked. So I'm gonna install the handle. So put the wires inside. You know how you're doing it right when the light here goes outside the front. And another QR code up here. Here, QR code. So here you put the screw, and two up here too. Screw. Will this power on? Yeah, it powers on and it's fully charged actually. But I'm gonna charge it anyway. So, pretty much the same function as the old one that I got. Only difference is the shocks. Turn this up. So I'm gonna charge it first before I test it outside. So it came with a Allen wrench to install the handlebars. Two in the back and two in the front. Align it correctly there. Come on. Not going in. Not going in. Two. It's gonna be like the other one. I think it's not gonna go in the right way. Sounds good. One more. So it came with extra screws. I got 5 in here, and you only need 4, unless I missed something. Look at this one, the hole's gonna be offset. Yeah, look like this one, the hole is off. Kinda like my other one. Alright, so here's the charger. Alright, so here's the charger. It's a 1.5 amp, 42 volts. So I'm gonna charge this first. It's already at 4 bars, just wanna make it full before I test it. Alright, so this is like 3 months of riding already, and this trail alone, this thing has valleys, little valleys. If you go in the underpass, it goes down and goes up. 9 of them, in fact. And I made a video about it. Maybe I'll upload it like a couple of days after this video, so look for it if you want to see it. And the battery doesn't last as much as on a flat surface, and depending on the weight too. When my daughter or son ride it, it lasts for over an hour or 22 miles, 19 to 22 miles, depending on the weight of the person riding. And if I ride it, probably like an hour. Depends on who's riding it and how many times he has to climb. And the suspension on this thing is really good. I like it, and not bad for a $188 electric scooter. And I would recommend this one because it's cheap and it handles really well. And except for it has to climb, especially my weight. So the heavier you are, the more it drains the battery, and the more hills it climbs, the battery will drain faster. All right, so that's it, because this thing only has like a 10.4 amp hour and it's 300 watts. So it's not as it doesn't have that much power, but it does go 19 miles per hour. So I was riding it, and it shows on the speedometer at like 25 miles per hour, but it wasn't really going at 25 miles per hour. It's more like 16 or 17 miles per hour. So that was kind of weird. And it kept it steady at 25, but I've driven 19 miles per hour with this one before when I first got it, and it was fast. It felt fast. But this one, on this ride, when even it goes to 25 miles per hour, it's slower. It feels slower. So I'm pretty sure the speedometer, this one is kind of flaky already, but it's still good. Not bad, because this thing has you can control too the speed. You can limit the speed on this one. Either you can go eco mode, which I think the battery will last longer too if you go on eco mode. I think it only goes like 12, up to 12 or 10 or 12, not sure. And the second one is like up to 15, and the last one is up to 19 miles per hour. And do I recommend this one? Yes, I do. It works well. Suspension is good, and for the price you paid, yes, it's good. And I had free delivery from Temu, so, and I didn't have to pay tariff on this one, so it's all good. All right, that's it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I hope to see you next time. Bye bye. Have a nice day.